Hey everyone, today I will show you the DCU.org login page, and in this page, as you see, it's very simple and it's easy to type your username and password. And if you forget your password, you need to type forget your password, and then if you forget your username, you need to click forget your username button here. But firstly, I want to talk about DCU Visa Platinum Credit Card. Yes, only members of DCU Federal Credit Union are eligible for the DCU line of Vice cards, including the DCU Visa Platinum Credit Card. It's a no-frills card that doesn't offer rewards but advertises a low variable APR, making it a good option if you anticipate carrying a balance. A balance transfer card with a 0% APR offer might be a better option to pay off short-term debt on a current credit card, but the DCU Visa Platinum can be great for long-term debt repayment at an industry-low APR. However, if you are looking for rewards or cashback, you need to look mm, elsewhere. And also DCU offers many programs. They are Feature Look, Balance, AutoPay Planner, and Overfy. You can also use these programs for yourself and for your family. So I think it's enough for DCU.org. If you want to member of this, if you want to holder of this card, you need to click app.dcu.org page, and then you can sign in your account here. Okay, thank you for watching and see you. Bye.